with US Supreme Court clearing Mumbai attack convict Tahawwur Rana's extradition to India, dismissing his review petition against the move. All eyes are on India's diplomatic heft that will pave the way for his quick extradition after all legal challenges have been exhausted. What has worked in India's favor is the diplomatic cooperation offered by the US government from former President Joe Biden and now US President Donald Trump, which is rare in extradition matters. The decade-long effort, insiders reveal, began with close cooperation between the investigators in India and United States in 2014 and 2015. A senior Mumbai police officer, accompanied by Ujjwal Nikam, special public prosecutor in the 2611 case, quietly flew to the United States and met senior officers of the FBI and the State Department to secure their cooperation. The idea was to secure the testimony of Lashkar-e-Taiba operative David Coleman Headley, who was in American custody. The American sleuths had some tough questions for them. Why did they want Headley's deposition, as he was not present in Pakistan or India at the time of the attacks? If Ajmal Kasab, the lone surviving terrorist, did not meet Headley, why was his cooperation required? To New Delhi's dismay, Headley had entered a plea bargain agreement with the US government. This had shut doors for his extradition to India or Pakistan for his involvement in 2611. The duo succeeded in explaining why Headley's testimony was required before a Mumbai court. This paved the way for a successful partnership between the two countries that brought Headley to the courtroom in Mumbai. Testimonials running late into the night, where he gave explosive statements and spilled the beans on the role of key accomplice and friend Tahawwur Rana, a Pakistani-origin Canadian businessman, in helping plot the 2611 conspiracy. What also worked in India's favor was that Rana's extradition case was being fought by the US authorities on its behalf, which is rare particularly in extradition matters related to another country. The legal collaboration was effective, senior government officials told The Week. The fact that the US has been supporting India's stance on bringing 2611 perpetrators to book has been reassuring for investigators. Unlike Headley, the Americans were not interested in keeping Rana on their soil. He did not enjoy any immunity. The National Investigation Agency was quick to follow up. Investigators realized that if Rana completes his sentence in the US, which ends in 2027, and returns to Canada, India may have to pursue the matter afresh. But bigger challenges lie ahead. Rana was not named in the charge sheet filed by the Mumbai police but was an accused in the larger 2611 conspiracy. The ball is in the NIA's court to firm up enough evidence. If the extradition comes through, Rana might spill the beans on key terror conspirators hiding in Pakistan like LET patron Hafiz Saeed, project manager of the 2611 attack Sajid Mir, and LET commander Zakir Rahman Lakhvi, among others. The NIA hopes that the extradition process would receive a boost from diplomatic outreach efforts in Washington.